Now, if you've ever wondered if it really was possible to make money online, if you're a complete beginner, a newbie, somebody who's never made a penny before, then I am delighted to tell you that it absolutely is. And what I've got for you today is something that I'm very excited about. For a start, this is incredible value. And secondly, it gives you a direct route through to making money without doing anything, because I've got 25 done for you, ready to sell, ready to go video courses. Now, these are in the self-help niche, which is at the moment at an all-time peak. More and more people are looking for information in this niche in order to better themselves, and it's extremely popular. So we know this is going to be an absolute winner when you put these courses out there. Now, everything for me started a few years ago when I bought a piece of PLR for $5, and then I launched my pimped version of that, and I made over $8,000. I then created a course that taught people how to do that. That made over $45,000, and since then I've continued to sell digital products to this day, and I've done over $3 million online. It enables me to have a wonderful life. No boss, no stress, no expenses, no staff, no warehouses, no vehicles, just me and my laptop. I can be wherever I want in the world, and I can operate this business. So I'm super excited to bring this to you today, because this will enable you to make that transition from consumer to vendor, consumer to creator, so that you become the person selling rather than the person that's always buying. And that's where everything's going to change for you. With these 25 done for you courses, it means that you've got 25 done for you video courses with full PLR rights, private label rights. That means you can call them your own, add your name to them, edit them, rebrand them, repackage them, do whatever you like, but keep every single penny. And because it's done for you, that means you don't have to do anything other than sell them and keep all the money. So this really is the way forward. Now, one thing about becoming a vendor, a product creator, is that when you make the sale, you get the buyer's email address, and that's where the real money is. So that is why everything can change for you the minute you start doing that. So what I would urge you to do is to pick this package up as soon as you can, because we've got limited numbers on this one. So pick it up as soon as you can. It's dirt cheap. It really is. It's a complete and utter no-brainer. You're going to get all 25 video courses for less than the price of a pizza, and you'll be able to get started immediately with this. Now, obviously, as always, I've got a massive bonus bundle for you, and you'll find details of that below this video. You know that I love to spoil you rotten, and you won't be disappointed with the bonuses that I have for you here today. Now, even if you think to yourself, sounds good, Trev, but I don't know that I've got time to set anything up at the moment because I'm kind of busy trying to make a living, then I would still say, just get this package. All right, seriously, just get this package. It's PLR, but it's done for you video courses. So it's not like a PLR ebook. It's not like other PLR that you might see out there. These are done for you video courses ready to sell so that you can make some serious money. So just think about what you've got there. With 25 courses, you might decide you're going to take one course and sell it as a front end product. And then you might take another course and sell it as an upgrade, another as an upgrade, another as an upgrade. Or you might decide you're going to take maybe 5 courses as the front end product. And then you're going to use 10 products for the first upgrade and 10 products for the second upgrade. That takes care of all 25 courses there, and you've got yourself a simple funnel. So you could sell the 5 courses for, say, $27, and then you could sell each of those upgrade bundles for $97 each, and you're banking well over $200 out of this investment, potentially from your first customer. And this kind of stuff happens, all right? This is a genuine business. As you probably know, if you've been following me for any time, this stuff works and you can do it, and you absolutely can do it. There's no reason why you can't do this. I've seen all sorts of people from all sorts of walks of life, and it doesn't matter what gender you are, doesn't matter what experience you've got, doesn't matter if you've got no tech experience, you've got no design experience, it doesn't matter if you've never done anything like this before, none of that matters. Simply, what you're doing is selling digital products. You don't need a warehouse to store them in. They're free to store. You just download them and then you go and sell them, and you get paid and you keep every single penny that you make. Video courses have massive perceived value. It's a video course. And as an example, this is the kind of thing that you could do, right? You could upload each video to YouTube unlisted, okay? Then once it's uploaded, you go to YouTube, go to your video, and you go show more underneath the description. You click on show transcript. That will come up on the right hand side. There'll be 3 dots on the top right hand side. Click on that to toggle the timestamps. That will give you the transcript of that video. You then take that transcript, you put that into ChatGPT and you say, summarize this for me please, and come up with a really attractive name and some sales copy for me. You can do that with each of the videos so ChatGPT knows what this is all about and it will rebrand it for you. It will give you the name, it will give you ideas that you could never have thought of, and all of that is done in seconds. In seconds. It's super easy now that we've got AI. You can ask ChatGPT to design you a logo for each of the courses, a summary for each of the courses, bullet points for each of the courses, sales headlines for each of the courses, sales copy for each of the courses, and it's literally copy and paste. But not only that, with this offer, we're giving you a done for you sales page and a done for you sales video. So you can just go and upload those and start selling these yourself straight away. And you can sell them for twice the price that you pay me for today. You can sell them for 3 times, 4 times, whatever you want. You've got the PLR rights. So it's up to you how much you sell them for. So this really is a complete and utter no-brainer, and it's going to be difficult not to make a success of this. Trust me on that one. It puts you in the driving seat, you become the vendor, and everything can change for you. You can scale this, you can run paid traffic to this if you want, whatever you choose to do. It's perfect for selling on social media. You can even go to sites like Fiverr and Etsy and sell these. There are so many different ways that you can make money with these, and the perceived value, as I said, is massive because they're video courses. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead, lock this one in before they all go, before the price goes up during the launch period, and let's start making some money. And I'll speak to you soon. You take care.